Assembly horizontal bike athletic to 140 bh. Unpack your product carefully. Reading the manual is essential when assembling the product. Position the front foot and secure using the screw, nut, and wrench indicated. Repeat the process with the rear foot. Position the backrest on the saddle frame and secure it using the screws and wrench indicated. Repeat the process with the saddle accent. Fit the adjustment lever. Fix with the screws and wrench indicated. Fit the hand grip to the saddle frame and secure it using the screws, nuts, and wrench indicated. Position the saddle frame over the main frame and screw the sliding bar at both ends with the wrench indicated. Attach the mainframe sensor connectors on the tower connectors. Insert the effort regulator coupling and excess wires into the tower and fit into the main structure. Pull the effort regulator coupling through the opening in the side of the tower and fix it to the tower with the screw. Unscrew the effort regulator screw and attach it to the tower. Secure the tower using the screws and wrench indicated. Each pedal has an indication of which side is correct, according to the label on the sail foot. Fit the pedal on the correct side and screw it in with the wrench indicated and fit the toe clip. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Open the cover on the back of the panel. Insert the batteries and close. Connect the sensor cables to the panel cables. Insert the excess wires into the tower. Position the panel and fix it using the screws and wrench indicated. Connect the heart rate sensor to the hand grip and main frame. The assembly of your product is complete.